So in this set D, you're solving for time. So we've done that before, but if we go to the formula package, you go to time. So T equals I over PR. So T equals I over PR. Now keep in mind, when we solve for T, it's going to be in years. So let's look at this. We got $1,000 was deposited on June 26. It earns 10.75%. And on the maturity date, the account earned $63.91 in interest. Okay, so the interest is $63.91. The principal was $1,000. And the rate is a decimal. So remember, 10.75 is the same as saying 10.75%. And so we got to divide that by 100. That would be 0.1075. So I'm going to multiply the bottom two numbers together. So 1,000 times 0.1075. So that gives me 63.91 over 107.5. I'm going to divide these two numbers. And then remember, that gives me the time in years. So I want to know what that is in days actually. So how many days in a year? 365. So I'm going to multiply by 365. So I know how many days that is. And I've kept all the decimals on my calculator. So times 365. And so I get 216.99. So I basically can say it's 217 days. Okay. So it's 217 days though from June 26th. So what I'm going to do is go to our chart here, our serial number chart. I have to first look up June 26th. So 26th of June. If I just blow it up here. So 26th of June is 177. So that's what I got to copy out. So I got 177 is this day. So I'm going to add another 217 days. So 177 plus 217 is 394. Okay, so wait a minute. That means I've gone into the next calendar year because I've gone more than 365. So when I add those two together, okay, I've got 394 days. And remember, 365 is the last day in the calendar year. So the calendar year was 2018. So that means I'm going to go into 2019. So wait a minute. I'm going to take 394 and I'm going to subtract 365 from it. So that I know it's an extra 29 days in the next year. So it's extra 29 days in 2019 now. So that's easy because then 29, that's the first month. So that'd be January 29th, 2019.